Hi friends, today in music class we're going to discuss the difference between beat versus rhythm. Let's get started. Here comes the time when Mr. Maestro wants to share with you the definition of the terms we're learning today. That's right! Today we're going to learn about the beat, which is the basic rhythmic unit in a measure. That's exactly right. Do you know that beat and rhythm are different? What? They're different? I've been thinking they're the same thing all this time. Yeah, I'm sorry, Maestro. Sometimes it gets a little confusing when we're talking about rhythm versus beat. Well, today, can you tell me the difference? You betcha. We're gonna take a look at the basic beat first, and then we're gonna learn about rhythm. Okay, guys, so let's set up our measure here and find out what the basic rhythmic unit is, or the beat. Okay, so here is our setup notation system. So we have the time signature 4/4, which tells us a lot about the beat and the rhythm. Then we have a measure line and we have a finale, which is a skinny line and a fat line. And that means stop! So this 4 and 4 is gonna tell us a lot about the beat. The top note tells us how many beats are in a measure. What's the number on top? You got it, it's a 4. So here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's one measure. We'll put measure 1, measure 2. So how many beats would be in the second measure? To find that out, we go back over here. That top number is gonna tell us it's a 4. So each measure is gonna have 4 basic beats. I think I've got it, Mrs. Beaufeaux. In this piece of music, there are 4 beats in each measure. He got it right. Does that make sense to you guys? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. As a reminder, beat is the basic rhythmic unit of a measure. Mrs. Beaufeaux, can we switch gears now and talk about the rhythm? Yeah, let's do it. We've been working on rhythm since we were in kindergarten, friends. And these are those different rhythmic notation symbols that we learned, like ta, ti, ti, ticka, ticka, sh, tu, ho. And if you're in first and second grade, ti, ticka, ticka, ti. So those go on top of the beats. So we have to fill in these beats. In music, rhythm is defined as the pattern of musical sounds in time. Okay, let's take a look at these rhythms. You should all be able to say this with me. So let's try it together. 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, ti, ti, sh, ta. 2, ti, ti, ta. So the rhythm is gonna be those units that are on top of the beats. Why did I leave a space here? Do you remember why? That's because this notation symbol, a half note, takes 2 beats, so it needs 2 spaces. Is this making a little more sense to you now? You betcha! Hey, Mrs. Beaufeaux, I have a great idea. Why don't we use a basketball? What a fantastic idea, Maestro. I'll be able to show both beat and rhythm bouncing a basketball. Okay, friends, here's another example of a steady beat. I've got my basketball. That was a steady beat created by the ball. It was a measured unit. It was steady. Let's see if I can do a rhythm over my steady beat. Ta, ti, 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 ta. Ti, ticka, ta, ti, ticka, two. Ta, ta, ticka, ticka, ta. Did you hear the difference? The ball was doing a steady beat while my mouth was saying a rhythm. So here, let's go through this again. The beat is the underneath, the steady thing that happens in both measures. And it's going to be told to us by this top number on the time signature, while the rhythm are the musical sounds that happen in time. Thanks for watching. I hope this made sense. If it didn't, raise your hand and ask me a clarification question. This has been Music with Mrs. Beaufeaux and Maestro. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.